Hello everyone, in this session I'll take you deeper into programming in Kali Linux. Not just how to write code, but how to use programming as a weapon in penetration testing and cybersecurity. First of all, why do we need to program in Kali Linux? It's simple. Off-the-shelf tools can only get us so far. If we want to customize attacks, automate tasks, bypass security measures, or create zero-day exploits, we need programming skills. Now let's break it down into 4 key areas: automation and scripting. One of the most powerful ways to level up in Kali Linux is automating repetitive tasks. Bash scripting, automate network scans, brute force attacks, or even entire recon workflows. Python scripting, build scanners, exploit scripts, or automate API calls to web services. For example, imagine you want to scan 1,000 targets with Nmap and save clean results automatically. Instead of running commands manually, you write a Bash or Python script to handle it. Exploit development. This is where C, Python, and sometimes assembly come into play. We use programming to write custom exploits like buffer overflow or format string exploits. We also modify existing public exploits to bypass updated security systems. Additionally, we build shellcode or reverse shells. Let's take an example: writing a Python script to exploit a vulnerable FTP server and spawn a reverse shell back to us. Tool customization and integration. Most of Kali's tools, like Metasploit, Burp Suite, and SQLmap, allow for plugins, modules, or scripting. Ruby is used in Metasploit to write custom exploits or payloads. Python can extend SQLmap or automate Burp Suite tasks via APIs. You can chain multiple tools with Bash or Python scripts to create powerful attack pipelines. Automate gathering subdomains, feeding them into a port scanner, and finally trying web attacks on open ports, all with one script. When testing web apps, we mix JavaScript, PHP, Python, and SQL, create custom XSS payloads, write SQL injection scripts, and build fake web servers to capture credentials using Python Flask or PHP. Essential tools and libraries for programmers in Kali. Scapy in Python is for crafting custom network packets. Impacket, also in Python, is for crafting Windows Network Protocol attacks. PON-Tools, another Python library, is great for CTFs and exploit development. Requests and Beautiful Soup, both in Python, are perfect for web scraping and automation. The Metasploit framework, written in Ruby, is essential for exploit development and testing. Radar 2 and GDB are indispensable for reverse engineering and binary exploitation. Example: Advanced Script Python Port Scanner. Import socket for port in range 20,1025, sock =socket dot socket, socket.af underscore inet comma socket dot sock underscore stream, result =sock, connect x, 192.168.1.1, port, if result, =0, print f port is open, sock.close. This script can be easily extended to run multi-threaded scans, fingerprint services, or brute force logins. That's the power of programming in Kali. You don't just use tools, you build your own. Programming in Kali Linux isn't just about writing code, it's about turning code into a weapon. The more you understand programming, the more control and creativity you have in your security assessments. Thank you. And remember, real hackers don't just use tools, they build them.